If your phone sometimes feels like your personal assistant, you're already experiencing AI magic. So what is AI? Imagine your brain is a super fast computer. AI is like giving a computer a brain so it can learn, make decisions, and improve over time. Just like you learn from your mistakes, AI learns from data. Lots and lots of data. But how does it work? Think of AI as a chef with an endless cookbook. Each recipe is a piece of data. The more recipes the chef tries, the better they get at cooking. In AI terms, this is called machine learning. Why is AI useful? Ever used Google Maps? That's AI helping you find the quickest route, or ask Siri a question? AI again, giving you answers? AI makes our lives easier in countless ways, from recommending movies on Netflix to personalizing your newsfeed. It's everywhere and it's just getting started. So next time you get a smart suggestion from your phone, remember that's AI working its magic. Cool, right?